In a world where sharing a video was once nearly impossible, and where the internet was still growing its voice, three young minds dared to imagine something simple. What if anyone, anywhere, could share a video with the world? That question gave birth to something extraordinary. A platform that changed how humans communicate, create, and dream. This is the story of YouTube. The discovery of YouTube. 1. The problem no one noticed. It all began in 2004. Three friends working at PayPal, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jawed Karim, noticed a strange problem. Sharing videos online was unbelievably hard. You couldn't upload them easily. You couldn't send them by email. You couldn't even watch one without waiting forever for it to load. Jawed Karim once said he was frustrated because he couldn't find a video clip of the 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. If a major global event couldn't be seen online, what hope did everyday people have? A spark was lit. 2. The simple idea that changed everything. The idea was simple. A website where anyone could upload a video, and everyone else could watch it instantly. They called it YouTube. At first, they imagined it as a dating site. Show yourself on video, find a match. But nobody posted dating videos. Instead, people posted everything else. Pets, trips, birthdays, random moments, experiments, stories. And slowly, the founders realized YouTube was not a dating site. It was a mirror of humanity. 3. The first video ever. On April 23, 2005, the first video was uploaded. Me at the zoo. Jawed Karim stands in front of elephants, smiles at the camera, and talks casually for just 18 seconds. No script. No effects. No studio. Yet, that moment opened the door to billions of other stories waiting to be told. 4. The explosion of creativity. In months, YouTube exploded. People realized they could be filmmakers, comedians, teachers, musicians, without waiting for permission from TV studios or producers. The world witnessed the first viral videos, the birth of online comedy, gamers streaming gameplay, makeup tutorials, music covers, educational channels, documentaries by ordinary people. YouTube became the world's scrapbook, a place for memories, emotions, and creativity. By November 2005, YouTube was serving millions of views per day. And the world was watching. 5. Google enters the story. Google, impressed by the rapid growth, saw potential. In 2006, Google bought YouTube for $1.65 billion. One of the biggest internet deals at the time. People called it crazy. But Google knew. YouTube was not just a website, it was a revolution. 6. How it changed humanity. YouTube transformed communication. It broke the walls between countries and cultures. It allowed a teenager in one corner of the world to inspire millions in another. From tutorials that teach everything imaginable, to videos that spark movements, to creators who turned passion into a profession. YouTube became the global classroom, the global stage, the global storyteller. Ending. And it all began with a simple idea. Let's make it easy for people to share videos. Today, billions of people watch YouTube every month. And every upload, every moment, is a reminder that the greatest discoveries are not always inventions, but connections. This is the magic of YouTube.
Hi friends, I'm your White Fairy. If you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you in the next adventure.